Hi guys, so I briefly just want to explain to you how to turn in assignments. So you're going to have the option to either print assignments and fill them out and then take a picture of them or scan them and resubmit them, or you can use a digital tool called Kami. So I'm going to show you how to use Kami. So your regular assignments will be listed under each learning session. So here we can see that on Monday you have these videos to watch, then you have Monday's fraction lesson, guided worksheet, and then you also have one more worksheet to complete on Monday, which is the fraction bar worksheet. So if you don't want to print those out, or if you don't have access to a printer, you can use Kami for this. And you can find all the assignments under this weekly worksheets Kami tab, where you can click on this. So first you're going to have to download the extension of Kami. You can just find it in the Chrome web store. It's super easy. You just click add to Chrome and it'll come up for you. There are also these instructions that I will post that explain that a little more. So I'm going to just show you briefly what to do. So if I want to click on the fraction bar parts worksheet, say it's Monday, and I need to complete this worksheet, I click on it. Then I click open with Kami. So if I want to add a text box, I could click here. I can control my font size. I add a text box here, and then I could type. That's not where I need to type. I need to type here. So the fraction bar has how many equal parts? It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I could type in 4 here. Or if I don't want to type and I want to draw, I can use the draw feature, and I could write in here that each part is 1/4. So this allows you to complete the assignment digitally, and then you don't even have to worry about printing it out. It's super easy to use. There's many features. Here's the eraser if I didn't want to write that. I didn't mean to write that. You can change the font color if you want to make it stand out. You can add in images, shapes, equations. So really it allows you to do so much. And then once you're done, you're going to submit your assignment. So to submit, you just want to go up here to save, or you want to save it, and then you want to just download it. It'll tell you that you want to save it with the annotations, which is what you added. So you want to click yes. You want to save it to your Google Drive, and then you can go into Google Classroom and upload it from your Google Drive. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to answer. And I will also post this sheet this sheet, like I said, to show you how to download Kami. So, have a great day.